Alright, so I got a request by HVAC Wagner to go back and film these air conditioners and refrigerator components at this gas station in my neighborhood. Here's a heat craft. It's running. It's actually really quiet. So, here's a Russell refrigerator component. All the way over here, it's a 2006 Luxaire, 2007 Carrier heat pump, and the straight cool unit. These are not running, but the Luxaire is actually. This is a heat pump. The reversing valve is actually over here. So, 2006 4-ton. This one has R22. Let's see, this Carrier doesn't look like it has been running. Not at all, actually. This is a heat pump. There's the reversing valve. Carrier. And 2007 3-ton R22. This is a section of heat pump. So here's the 5-ton. I think. Nah, this one hasn't been running either. This one has a cold scroll compressor. It's a straight cool unit. It's a Carrier. So this is a nice unit right here. These Carriers are kind of pretty good units actually. Alright, 5-ton, also from 2007. It's got R22. Now let's go back to these refrigerator components right here. Got a Trenton. Alright, thank you guys for watching.